see we out here. Got the Malibu. Ooh, we got another Malibu though. Feel me? We got another Malibu out here. The homie finna buy a whip. Feel me? Cashing out on whips right here. Got going on. Let's check it out. Ooh, see, we got a little BAP over here. BAP. So yeah, we out here in Long Beach. We out here in Long Beach. The homie buying a car. Homie buying a car. You see, I got my boo right out there. He test driving it right now. I'll let him, let him go do his thing. Gonna test drive in. Shout out to Jag Motors, something like that. Jag Motors, I think. Yeah, we out here. All right, as you can see, we are in the car doing a little test drive. Doing a test drive here in Long Beach, feel me? Just trying to see how the car whip around. Gotta gas it a little bit. See that, real nice. Gotta gas it a little bit, feel me? Gotta see how that fits. Oh yeah. Yeah, we in the homie's car. In the car the homie finna buy, feel me, cashed out. Finna cash out on the foreign. I'm just playing, it ain't foreign though. Chevy gang. Chevy gang, Chevy gang, Chevy gang. Feel me? Stop fucking playing. You already see what's going on. Another episode of Malibu Monday. Today's episode, we going to the Street Alliance car meet. Feel me? One of the first car meets that I'm going to, bringing the boo to. So we finna get her cleaned up. I'm gonna give me a haircut too, I think, and then we gonna head out there. It's later on tonight, probably around 9 o'clock, so we gonna head out there later. But Street Alliance car meet, feel me? We going up. Episode 5 of Malibu Monday, we going up. You already know, nigga. You already know what time it is. We gonna be in that thing lit. We gonna be in that thing lit.
What's up, baby?
Sheesh. out here. Street Alliance, feel me? Nigga ducked off though. See that merch? Hold on. See that fucking merch, man. See that fucking merch, man. You see that fucking merch, man. You see that merch? Go get that. See, we out here though. Feel me? We out here.
Yeah, word on paperwork, but nigga, it ain't no statement.
Sheesh.
Yeah, you're good.
Thank you, dog. Here's my role model. It ain't no other Malibus here though. Shit kind of weak. I'm the only Malibu in this motherfucker. I should have went last night. It's all good though.